of course I get these thoughts. I have to fight these. It's okay. This is all noise. This is all social media. This is not the reality. I would like to maybe do something else in a couple of years.
Really,
explore
like what?
that.
Dance school खोलेंगे.
Yeah, or maybe go somewhere, learn something else.
What is it? Yeah?
Am
The
I?
suitable bhau. The suitable girl. क्या बात है यार सानिया?
ऐसा है क्या? फिल्मों में करने का मौका मिल रहा है वैसे तो मैं किसी को इम्प्रेस नहीं कर रही इन रियल लाइफ विद माय कुकिंग स्किल्स और माय बहू स्किल्स. टू बी ऑनेस्ट अगर मैं इमेजिन भी करूँ कि मुझे सिर्फ ऐसी ही टाइप की फिल्में करनी है मैं कर भी नहीं पाऊंगी.
For all film related interviews, reviews and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Okay, I have a confession to make. I basically burn water, and I know you are a cook, and it's a life skill that everyone should know. You know, what was the experience like, and which is the one thing that you enjoyed the most cooking? I know आप खुद के अच्छे बना लेती हैं, मगर सबसे बेहतर क्या था इसमें बनाना? दम वाली बिरयानी हम देख रहे हैं बन रही है, सिलबट्टे में चिटनी बन रही है, तो सबसे बेस्ट कौन सा था? That you were like, wow.
I think that biryani one where that chef comes alive.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't remember shooting with that man around me. I had actually blocked him from my vision, and also I don't remember shooting with him at all, Aarti. Because I was so into that process of making biryani that day on shoot that when I watched the film, I was like, was he there on set?
Wow.
Was this man around me? Like, I was totally locked in. I was like, I have to impress my father-in-law. आज मैं बिरयानी बनाऊंगी उनके लिए. So that was my emotion that day. Like when I watched the film, I think that is my favorite cooking experience. And also when she's dancing in the kitchen.
And the father-in-law is going on calling her.
Yeah. That
And
whole
ये
sequence.
स्क्रीन के फादर-इन-लॉ की बात कर रही हैं, बट मुझे एक बात बताओ, आप स्क्रीन पर सबकी फेवरेट बहू बन गई हैं. पगलैत में देखो, then Meenakshi, Sandesh movie, and now this. What is it? The suitable बहू, the suitable girl. क्या बात है यार सानिया?
ऐसा है क्या? फिल्मों में करने का मौका मिल रहा है वैसे तो मैं किसी को इम्प्रेस नहीं कर रही इन रियल लाइफ विद माय कुकिंग स्किल्स और माय बहू स्किल्स.
But she actually, I mean, for the typical mother-in-law जो कहते हैं ना, now we are going to discuss that. You are the perfect बहू, खाना भी अच्छा बना लेती है, डांस भी अच्छा कर लेती है, और जब आवाज उठानी होती है वो भी उठा लेती है.
बिल्कुल. Yeah, मतलब I don't know. I don't know what to
मुझे
say.
लगता है कि वो हमको चेंज करना है, वो परफेक्ट बहू की डेफिनेशन की जो
exactly.
खाना वो होमली गर्ल जो चाहिए ना वो चेंज करना है. मुझे लगता है शी इज द परफेक्ट बहू बिकॉज शी इज सो इंटेलिजेंट, शी इज सो क्रिएटिव,
Absolutely.
she has so much empathy. Like she will be her mother-in-law's best friend. She'll be, she'll be her father-in-law's best friend. Like she'll be equal
रिश्ता
to all
भेज
of
दीजिए
them.
Z5 को सब.
Into fitness.
हाँ.
सब जा रहे हैं पूरा परिवार जिम सुबह सुबह उठ के.
I think she'll be perfect bahu because she is a full human being, like, and she expresses herself fully and she cares for people around her. And I think वो हमारा वही aim is film
This
से
is, you know what, we're talking about the bahu thing. I actually felt कि आजकल our narratives have gone beyond.
Yeah.
But when I saw the movie, I said, we are somewhere still stuck
Yeah, we
in
are.
this because a woman's place is in the kitchen. वो सुबह से शाम, like breakfast खत्म होगा, lunch के लिए क्या बन रहा है, lunch खत्म होगा, dinner के लिए क्या बन रहा है.
Yeah.
So I was just thinking to myself, we actually haven't moved forward. एक step और पीछे. So when you decided to make this adaptation of the Great Indian Kitchen, what was the one thing that you were like, I have to make this?
No, for me, it really resonated with me, and I think it's like because we have seen this story play out in our mother's lives, in all our aunts' life, in our friends' life, and I definitely don't want the story to play out in my daughter's life, like, and just to, and like every child right now is like in a way our daughter, right? Because we are this generation, and the younger generation will inherit what how we shape the culture. So I was very keen that कि हम वैसे story बनाएं कि उनके सर से जिम्मेदारी निकल जाए. Like ये जो एक होता है कि gender आपका क्या है, या sex आपका क्या है, कि आप male हो female हो, और gender roles क्या है. तो ये gender roles को ना हम अभी सब कितना सब change हो रहा है. बाहर जाके औरतें काम करें, फिर भी घर आके उनको पूरा खाना बनाना पड़ता है या जिम्मेदारी लेनी पड़ती है. तो हम वो gender roles को थोड़ा सा हम वो redefine करना है. So that was the whole idea. Yeah.
So what was it that appealed to you about this movie? Because अगर देखा जाए दंगल के टाइम से you're playing women who have always been craving an identity, your movie, your filmography.
Hmm.
She's always wanting to create an identity.
Yeah.
She is raising her voice against patriarchy in some way or the other, whether it was Paglet, whether it was in Dangal also. It's a man's sport that she's,
Hmm.
part of. So what was it that drew you to this particular film?
I think it empowered me, and these are my values too, जो reflect होती है मेरे काम में या मेरे characters में या मेरी फिल्मों में, and I'm naturally drawn to such characters. मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, I want to be a part of a film like Mrs. Paglet, कटहल. ये stories हैं जो मैं बताना चाहूँगी. And as Aarti said, like I want young girls to watch these films and get empowered and get motivated to choose their passion and choose themselves over anything else. And as she said, that there is a need to redefine these gender roles, and I might not be so great at putting my point across, like I'm not that articulate, but I know that my superpower is acting. Like I can act it out.
Yeah.
And I'm very lucky to have this platform as an actor, and I want to use this, and I want to be part of these films and these stories. इसलिए मतलब जब मिसेस आई तो मुझे लगा कि there is like I have to be a part of this. This story resonated with me. It spoke to me on so many levels. I have seen Richa in my mother, in my friends, and in women around me. This story is so relevant, and so many women see themselves in her. So, and yeah, just the need of change in the society. मुझे लगता है अगर थोड़ा सा भी फिल्म, जो ठीक है हम फिल्म बनाते हैं एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, बट अगर उससे कोई मैसेज भी मिल सकता है या कोई मैसेज समझ सकता है उस फिल्म का, तो फिर ये हमारे लिए प्लस ही है.
Absolutely. Also food is representative of society. It also reflects about your society, your conditioning and everything. It's like in the movie she tells her own parents, मैं बेटी हूँ, बेटा नहीं, But the thing is, nowadays you see most of the men actually are better cooks than women agar dekha jaye, But it's nice that, she's raising her voice in that, and there are also those elements, whether it's with her husband who still wants his pulkas, she has a period, and हाँ तुम नहीं जा सकती, as if, क्या मुसीबत पड़ गई है. So all that conditioning, so it's interesting that, you are saying it all out. But as a young girl, I mean, the thing is that you are part, as I was speaking to someone, last year was fantastic for women's stories and narratives, because they were exploring their sexuality. Here, we are exploring patriarchy, which we should have no need to now. But how is it like in the industry? Do you think it's actually improving for women in terms of roles? Because at the end of the day, it also was seen a man's canvas.
It is definitely changing. The fact that we are sitting and promoting a film like Mrs. is a good example of that. And not just because of the industry, the change has happened because the audience is ready to watch such films. They're more receptive. They want to watch movies that they can connect to and that they resonate with. We are getting so many messages from women saying that they see themselves. ये मेरी story है, ये मेरी कहानी है.
Most of
मैं
them.
ही रिचा हूँ. Like people are tagging me and writing essays about just the trailer. They have not even seen the film yet.
Wow.
So I feel like it's because of the audience that we are writing and we are exploring these topics, and stories like Mrs. are being celebrated. So thanks to them that we are also, very freely and openly and with confidence we are writing such stories and ready to back films like Mrs.
Aarti, but as they say, it is important for a movie that's led by a woman to do well so that others get made. Do you see that struggle? Do you think that struggle is far from over, or it's like, still?
I think like filmmaking as such is cracking as a writer director in movies is a struggle for everyone, like as such, like male and female. When I started off, I wasn't sure, like I wasn't getting, like especially I wanted to do science fiction, which was a predominantly masculine. So I was like you know, so it was some way I had to make like 9 short films before I could actually, you know, make my debut as a feature film director. Like, I think that's the longest amount, like largest amount of short films anyone has made as such to get their debut. But that was my way of winning people's confidence. So I think if you're patient and if you're working at it, you can get there, and you have to really open doors. So when I am, and I was telling it to my we had a second schedule where my chief AD said that you know, I believe in like gender equality, but unfortunately only male ADs are available for this sketch. I said that's not possible. Like, that only male ADs are available for this sketch. Find a way to have 50% female ADs. There's
Wow.
no way we you know कि सारी female कोई ADs है ही नहीं यहाँ पे काम के लिए. And he found a way for that. Even when we were doing team heads, I wanted to make sure that actually 60 to 70%
Yeah.
were female, not 50-50, but especially for a film like this, I wanted a feminine touch when it came to production design or like, you know, editing. So it was very important that when you get a chance, you make sure you make it easier for others to get a
Right.
chance.
Absolutely.
That's
So
true.
that's how.
What would you have to say? Because it's nice in a way, because soon after Dangal, you did a Pataka, which was like 2 women, and that was the last time we met in
Yeah.
person. And the movie did phenomenally well.
Yeah.
But after that, one saw you doing, there was a Ludo, there's a Sambado, there's a Kathal, there is Mrs. Biaga, you know. How has the process changed in the way you select your movies? And do you think, and then there was also Paglet, or do you think the offers are now also, the people know what you're capable of?
Oh, I think I have been quite risky with my work and the kind of films that I pick. And that the industry knows very well. Like, I've worked with some really good directors and I've been a part of such amazing films. तो वो मुझे लगता है that trust the directors and the producers have कि अगर ये कोई role होगा तो वो कर लेंगे. And I'm very lucky that makers see me in that light. Dangal से मैं बोलती आ रही हूँ कि no, I do not want to put myself in a box. I'm not going to say that I only want to do films like this. Like, I've never, to be honest, अगर मैं imagine भी करूँ कि मुझे सिर्फ ऐसी ही टाइप की फिल्में करनी है, मैं कर भी नहीं पाऊंगी. क्योंकि मुझे सब कुछ करना है. मुझे थ्रिलर भी करना है, मुझे कॉमेडी भी करनी है, अच्छा मुझे कुछ ऐसा डार्क कॉमेडी भी करनी है. मुझे
कठिन में आ गया था या कॉमेडी, तो थोड़ा कॉमिक एलिमेंट.
I also want to do physical comedy. I've done a comedy film, but I also want to do physical comedy. उसमें भी थोड़ी बहुत comedy है, but I want to go like all out. Like that, the stuff that I do on my social media.
Yeah, like she wanted to dance. इसमें तो आरती आपने इसको डांस भी करवा दिया.
No, but I was blessed that she was already before the script was written, she was part of the film. So I dance ने इनका बहुत कुछ personality का लेके मैंने film में डाला.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and I mean that's a blessing also to have the actress attached, and also someone like her who is so open and so sincere and committed for the role. Because I could see her sincerity and passion and how much she cared for this topic. And it kind of empowered me to make this film better.
Thank you.
But Sanya, honestly, how difficult is it to maintain that sanity, in the crazy ecosystem that you belong to? That is the film industry. And now with social media, the constant need to stay relevant. How tough is it, really?
It is quite tough. I'm not going to lie. But I have such amazing people who keep me grounded. Like, there are days when I feel like I'm, losing myself in it, or I want to, I feel like, especially with social media, I feel like, oh, am I doing enough? And of course I get these thoughts. I have to fight these negative thoughts, but I have my team members who keep me grounded. Like, she keeps me grounded throughout. Like, she will tell me that, Sana, no, you're doing enough. It's okay. This is all noise. This is all social media. This is not the reality. So I think I'm very lucky that way. I have my family, my friends who keep me grounded. And also, I have to keep reminding myself that all of this is not constant. Like, I was talking about this earlier as well, that I know that this is not constant. Like, fame, me doing and being a part of movies is not constant. I would like to maybe do something else in a couple of years.
Really? Like what? Dance school खोलेंगे?
Yeah, or maybe go somewhere, learn something else altogether. Like, I would want to explore that idea too. I do not want to restrict myself, not just with my work, even in my personal life. I never put myself in a box and, say that, yeah, Sanya, this is it. This is what you're good at. I truly believe that I can do a lot of other things in life, and I really find happiness in my job. But I know if I someday I wake up and I feel like I don't want to do this, I want to do something else.
Do you think
Well,
that's possible? Like to
that
wake
is
up and suddenly-
possible.
Well, they say this is like it's like a heady drug. You know, you have to want to keep, like Shah Rukh Khan said. You know, it's like one day if you wake up and you don't have that fame, you wonder, kya hua? He calls himself the humble employee of a brand called Shah Rukh Khan. You know, literally, but even those 3 decades, he's seen so much.
Yeah.
You know, it's easy for him to say that because now he also has that distance, you know, from
Yeah.
that. But for somebody who's in the midst of it, how do you create
I would
that?
never compare myself with Shah Rukh Khan. He's a super duper
Yeah.
star. But personally, I feel I really love acting. I'm quite passionate about it. But also, I'm not too attached to my job, to be honest. Like I never think like, oh, if I do not have this fame and if I don't have a million people following me on Instagram, to mera kya hoga? I don't want to attach myself with that feeling ever.
I know it can be a little burdensome. Huh?
Yeah.
Also, now we hear you have Thug Life coming.
Thug Life?
Oh no, that wasn't.
Oh.
That's the rumor all
Oh,
over the place.
Okay. No, I have Sunny Sanskari releasing in April with Varun.
Yeah. So tell us what's next and what are you doing next?
Sunny Sanskari, which is in April, and then I did a film with Anurag Kashyap, which will release this year, and there's another one which I'm announcing very soon. On 3rd, I'm announcing that film. So yeah.
Wow. Lots happening.
Four releases this year.
Mhm.
So
Wow, back
Very
to
nice.
back to
Yeah.
back.
awesome. Is there
Yeah,
something
yeah.
on your bucket list that you want to do?
Yeah, take a break. Go for a holiday. Spend more time with Mama Papa. Yeah, that is on my bucket list.
How sweet is that? And
Yeah.
Aarti, what's next for you?
I'm working on 2 science fiction films.
Wow.
Yeah, so just that हम लोग तो धीरे-धीरे काम चलता है, पर हाँ, we are like developing one, like few people also. I don't want to name too. It's too early to talk about them. Yeah.
But what is your biggest challenge if I was to ask you अभी? आपकी सबसे बड़ी दंगल क्या चल रही है आजकल? अगर है तो?
Work-life balance. थोड़ा छुट्टियाँ कम है. काम बहुत अच्छा है. Very nice problem to have. I know people will be like, अरे ये कोई problem होती है. But I would also like to spend time with Mama Papa. I want to, spend as much time as possible with my friends and my family, because that is very important. That is something that calms me down and keeps me connected and grounded. तो वो थोड़ा दंगल उस चीज़ का चल रहा है कि भाई जो समय मिलता है, I meet my family and my friends.
No, that's very important because
Yeah.
somewhere I think we've all like in the rush and the noise and
Yeah.
hustling away, we've lost all sense of being. I mean, that's
That's
for me
true.
also. You've just told me what, and keep telling myself detached.
Yeah.
Hota nahi hai.
Yeah.
But anyways, Mrs. Many congratulations.
Yes.
It was lovely,
Thank
and
you.
I'm
Thank
sure
you.
people also have a treat and feast awaiting them because it
Yes.
was all that food making you hungry. Where say, did you gain any weight with all that food?
Yeah. Oh yeah. We were eating a lot on set. रोज
yeah.
कुछ ना कुछ बनता था. किसी दिन हलवा बनाया है. किसी दिन
Yeah.
सोया बिरयानी बन रही है.
Yeah.
For vegetarians we had soya biryani, and
Yeah.
every day they used to
Yeah.
cook.
And in this film में
food.
there is one shot जिसमें she tastes a मक्खन, and that guy जो हमारे food stylist है, कोई special जगह से बहुत amazing मक्खन लेके आता है, और इतना सारा मक्खन था, उनको पता था मुझे मक्खन है, तो हर बार एक कटोरी मक्खन आ ही जाता था मेरे सामने.
Yeah, we were eating a lot on
Lot.
set, constantly.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Anyways, many congratulations.
Thanks,
Yeah,
So,
Divya.
thanks.
looking forward to seeing you next when you're here.
Yes.
The next was Sunny Sanskari.
Yes.
Killing.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thanks
much.
a lot. Yeah,
So nice to meet you.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.